How to search my location on Google Maps. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. If you would like to find your own location or your current location on Google Maps on your desktop, this is how you go about it. It's very simple. So right from a page that looks like this, your Google Chrome browser, you're going to go up to the top right hand side, and there are the 9 dots which gives you your Google apps. You're going to tap on Maps, and it looks like a little pin, and once you tap that, you will open Google Maps. Now let's say that since the last time you've opened Google Maps, you're in a different location, so you're going to go down to the right hand side, and there is a little icon. It looks like a crosshair, and you can tap on that. Now it says show your location, and once you tap on that, if you get the notice at the bottom that says Google Maps does not have permission to use your location, you can tap on the learn more tab to understand why. However, to change this setting, if you go into your search bar on your Google Chrome browser, all the way on the right hand side, there's a little icon, and it looks like the icon, the maps icon, and it's got a cross through it. Now once you tap on that, it allows you to change your access. So over here you can then tick on always allow this website to access your location, and you can tap on done. Now once you do that, you'll have to refresh your page. And on the right hand side again, if you're clicking on that crosshair, you'll see now that it is blue, and it'll actually give your exact location. There we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.